Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today I have an unboxing that I'm really excited about. Trying out a new product that I have not tried before, and that is the Z Flip 5G. I have not had a foldable phone before, so this is going to be my first one. I finally decided to get rid of a couple things that I wasn't really using and save up a little bit of money and pick one of these puppies up. So I'm really excited to try it out. My friend got one of the first gen ones a couple weeks ago, and he was an iOS user, and he's been using this thing ever since, and he's happy with it. So I figured I'm going to go ahead and do it. So here it is, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5G. This is the unlocked one. I always buy my phones unlocked. I don't buy carrier phones usually. So we're going to peel the sleeve off here. It does say right here that it comes with the phone, obviously, the wall charger, the cable, protective TPU film. I think that's already on the screen. We'll see in a second. And then the terms and conditions and quick reference guide and all that kind of stuff. So here we go. Once you take it off, the Z uncovers the flip here, and the top comes off. And then right here we have a little information card. It looks like the future changes shape. Meet your Galaxy Z Flip. And just explains a little bit about the Z Flip and the creation and that kind of stuff. And then right here, up front and center, we have the Z Flip itself with the care instruction, not instructions, but instruction. Don't press with your fingernails or hard objects. Don't let objects, cards, keys, coins, that kind of thing inside the screen. Don't close it on those things. It's not water or dust resistant. Don't expose to liquids or small particles. We recommend to keep the attached film to protect your screen. Do not attach any other adhesive such as films or stickers to the screen. So it says recommended, so I guess it is technically removable, but they don't recommend you removing it. I'm going to leave it on just to be safe. And it contains magnets, so make sure you keep it away from credit cards, medical devices, and that kind of stuff. Here is the back. When using a wireless charger, fold the device and place the center of the device back on the center of the wireless charger. So it looks like the wireless charging portion is probably in the bottom half, not, obviously up here where the hinge is and stuff like that. So we're going to take that and put it aside for a second. The Galaxy Z Flip Premier Service. It comes with specialized customer care service designed to deliver the best possible product experience to our valued customers. Learn more here. Galaxy Z Concierge. And screen replacement offer one-time out-of-warranty screen replacement within 1 year of purchase for the special price of $119 plus tax if you purchase your Z Flip before December 31st, 2021. So if you break the screen, you can get it fixed for $119. Considering that this phone is a $1,400 device, depending on when you get it, that's a good deal. Here's the charger. Surprisingly, it's not USB-C, it is USB-A. I was kind of expecting that to be USB-C. And then we have the charging cord right here, USB-A to C. I'm just going to put that back in the box. I have a ton of those out. Kind of actually disappointed that it's not C to C. I thought it would be on this newer phone. But it's not. No case included. Also kind of disappointing. They did include a case with the first model, I believe, because these phones are kind of hard to find cases for. It's not like an everyday device. But we're going to go ahead and peel these stickers off, and I just want to fold it for the first time. I've been looking forward to that. So we're going to go ahead and unwrap it here. I guess we'll start on the bottom with the pull tab. Maybe. I just want to feel the screen too. Yeah, I mean, it's got a plastic feel to it, but it's not too bad. I just want to... That is the weirdest feeling ever, to get a $1,400 phone and just fold it in half. Springs back open. You can kind of see it's kind of a little bit more visible on camera than it is with the reflection from the lights and everything than it is in real life. But you can see the hinge right here in the crease. You can feel a little indentation right there. It's not bad. It's probably something I'll get used to over time. But that is the phone right there. I'm going to go ahead and boot it up. We're going to go ahead and do a little setup video and everything, since this is my first fold, or flip rather, foldable phone, but it is the Z Flip. I would have liked to have the Fold, but that one is just out of the budget at $2,000. I'm not gonna do anything crazy like that right now. And like I said, my friend got one of these. I boot it up really quick. Alright, so here's the little let's go thing. I want to fold it real quick and see what the outside screen says, if it says anything. Yep, so we do get the time and date. I don't remember if it is. It's touchscreen, so you can swipe between like notifications and time and that kind of stuff. So that's pretty cool that the notifications will pop up out there. It's kind of like replacing the old LEDs that used to be on these things. I don't have a SIM card in it right now, just because I haven't taken it out of my iPhone. That is one of the things I did get rid of. I have my iPhone SE, but I sold my 11 Pro Max because I've actually been liking the size of the SE. Sorry, I'm entering my password to connect to the Wi-Fi real quick. I've been liking the size of my SE, so I went ahead and sold my 11 Pro Max. We're going to try this thing out real quick and see how it is before the new iPhone comes out, and I'll decide if I keep this or get the new iPhone, or I might get the smaller iPhone when it comes out that's a little bit cheaper, because like I said, I've been liking the size of the SE. And I also sold my Note 20 because while this doesn't have the S Pen, it's basically otherwise the same. It's got, the same operating system and all that kind of stuff, same Samsung skin. So I sold that, got a little bit of money back, so I basically broke even on this, getting rid of those two phones. And I can only use one phone at a time, so not a huge deal. I'm going to copy my apps and everything over, and then I'll come back. Give me a second, and we'll be back. Alright, so I got all my information in here and got everything set up. Well, not set up, it's actually still restoring everything. I'm going to go ahead and we're going to turn off... Oh, nope, it's already off. So the adapter brightness is already off because I restored from the backup. We're going to turn the brightness up real quick. So here we go. We've got the main brightness and the cover screen brightness. So the back screen right here, I don't think you can turn it on without that being on. That is really, really cool. Let's see, so show battery charge information, that's all the normal stuff. Alright, so we're going to give that a second to restore and everything. There is the screen though. I think it has an always on display on the outside. Yes, it does. And then you can close it and you have your screen right here. Obviously I have notifications now because it is restoring, so it gives you little the icons. You can tap on it and see what notification is what. Open phone for notification details. I don't know if there's a way to go back. If holding on it does it, or you just have to wait for... Okay, so you can just tap through it. But yep, there we go. So there's that. That's the cover screen. Then you flip it open, and fingerprint sensors on the power button on the side right there, and you're back in. So that is the Galaxy Z Flip 5G. I'm going to let it finish doing its thing, and I will do some more videos on it once I've had some time to play with it. Like I said, this is the first phone of its kind that I've been able to experience, so I'm going to let it set up and go play with it, and I'll do some reviews on it later on. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Really helps support the channel, and as always, have a great day.